What's good, guys? It's your boy gavofpairanormal. Today we're doing something a little different on the channel. Over the years I've been doing customs and everything, and a lot of people hit me up like, bro, I don't know how to wear the customs. You put all these colors, this. So I thought, why not make a video styling my customs? So going forward, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos like this. Hopefully once a month. Kind of like at the end of the month. If you pop over to my Instagram, you'll see me do like reels and kind of like the little outfit grids and everything. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Ultimately I'm enjoying what I do, so I'll probably keep doing this. So please give me a feedback. I need all feedback so I can know how to polish these videos up. Because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. So let's get into it.
Enter the paranormal.
Alright, so first up we have the Air Jordan 5 fish bones, literally taking inspiration from a sign that I saw within an aquarium at my uncle's house. It's crazy. Like I say, you can find inspiration from anywhere. But anyways, moving along with it, first for the hat, we have this starter hat, the whole Coca-Cola gridiron football type of thing. I love vintage pieces, so we have that on our head. And also we're rocking the Motivational tapestry hoodie. I got it while I was down in Atlanta a couple of months ago for Atlanta Streetwear Market. If you want more details on them, you can find it on my Instagram. For the pants, we have the PAiRANORMAL Eco Stretch Black Slim Cargos. Up next, we're going to be looking at the outfit that I put with the Air Jordan 3 Ice Milk Customs that I did a couple of months ago. Starting up top, we're rocking the Drop 2 hoodie that I would have released from the Paranormal Creators Club. For those who don't know, maybe some of you do know, but I actually was hacked when I tried to launch my my merch line, which we'll be bouncing back sooner or later. And then for our pants, we have the Hollister straight fitting jeans.
Hey, as I always do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Of course, like I said earlier, please tell me what y'all think about this video so I can know how to polish it and deliver something that y'all want to see. So let's get back into it, man. Thank y'all.
All right, so for our third fit, we're going to be looking at how I hooked up the New Balance 9060 Muscadines. As you know, this was supposed to come out with drop 1 from my merch line. So up top, we have the New Era Oakland A's fitted hat, and then we have the Foundation drop 1 Paranormal cream hoodie with my logo there on the back. And we also have the Express relaxed fitting cargos that I picked up, like I said, from Express. Alright, so for our next fit, we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 1 Low Maple Leafs. I made this pair, I think it was last year or earlier this year. A lot of times I do so many customs, I forget when I did them. But up top, we have the Urban Outfitters mustard colorway of the beanie. And then also here's another shirt that I got from another small streetwear brand at Atlanta Streetwear Market. Grimy clothing. Be sure to check them out. Like I said, go over my Instagram and you can find the links and everything to all of these pieces that I have on in this video. So we have that shirt, and also I'm going to be throwing on this flannel that I got from Cabela's. And then on the bottoms, we have these relaxed fitting denim cargos that I got from Zara. Alright, and to finish things off, we're looking at the custom Nike Air Max Attack Sleep Attack that I made for the Halloween season. So up top for our hat, we have the Bass Pro Shop snapback, and then we wanted to do a simple brown hoodie that I picked up from Gap. And then down below we have the cargo pants that's a little out there, but not too much, from the Real High brand that I picked up from Cabela's. With what I do, I have so much fun, so yeah, that's why you see me dancing with the Freddy Krueger mask and the glove and everything, just enjoying myself. As I always do in my customs, I'm gonna give you all a motivational quote. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. It's been your boy ThePAiRANORMAL. See you guys next time. Peace.